Welcome back to My Software Tutor. In this video, we're going to answer a question that comes up almost every time that we teach Excel. That is, we need to scroll down to view data and we lose the header. We lose the top row or the left column. So how do I lock them in place? Well, the good news is Excel's given us a really simple solution. So first I'm going to go to my View tab. And in the center area, you'll see there's a section called Window. And within Window, there are three buttons that we're going to focus on: Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row, and Freeze First Column. Now, this is what it looks like on a Mac. If I'm on Windows, you'll see it's almost identical. There's a Freeze Panes button and a little pull down, and underneath it are the same three buttons. So easy to get to it no matter what. Let's say that I want to freeze the top row of this spreadsheet. I'm literally going to click on Freeze Top Row, and you'll notice a little hairline appears. And as I scroll down, that hairline keeps the top row in place. Let's say I want to freeze the first column. I'm going to unfreeze and then freeze the first column. And that hairline now appears vertically, and when I scroll across, it stays in place. Let's say I want to freeze both the top row and the first column. It's a two-step process. First, I'm going to select that individual cell that's below and to the right of where I want the freeze panes to show up. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click Freeze Pane. And Freeze Pane will then allow me to scroll both ways. Very simple. Now, here's one more little thing for you. Let's say I want to freeze the top two rows or the top three rows. Let's say the top three rows I want to freeze. So I'm going to freeze row 4, and I'm going to click on Freeze Panes. And what that's going to do is that's going to freeze the top 3 rows or any number of rows that I want. Likewise, if I want to freeze the first 2 columns, I'll highlight the third column and click on Freeze Pane, and that will freeze those columns. So I can pretty much freeze anything that I want. I hope you found this useful, and we look forward to seeing you in another video real soon.